If you're just starting out as a data analyst and you want to become a successful data analyst, please start with Microsoft Excel. You can see I added please. So please start with Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel will help you to build your foundation around data, help you understand what data is. Within 1 or 2 weeks, you are going to be already doing something amazing using Microsoft Excel, specifically, Excel pivot table to help you summarize quick data. And that will give you your initial, feeling of what analytics is all about. Do not jump straight to complex tools like Python, Power BI, or any other tools that are very complex. So start with Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is something that every industry up to today, despite that it had been existing for over 38 years right now, it is still one of the leading tools in the market or in any organization today. No matter how big or small an organization is, Microsoft Excel must be used right in the organization. So what are you waiting for? Pick up Microsoft Excel and get started with. A lot of us mess it up because we don't start with the right tool. So we just jump into, any tool we feel like because our friends or somebody we know is already doing well on that particular tool. So if you don't have any experience in data analytics or you don't have any, good background in technology or anything that has to do with data, please start with Excel. So if you start with Excel, what you need to do now is this. Try to get real life data, and your own personal data will be the real life data. Maybe you don't used to keep data before now, so start getting every single detail of what you spend and what you earn. Then analyze it and see how it actually, give you insight about yourself, how you spend money, and where to limit some certain things and stuff like that. So there are several data sets on the internet that you can actually play around with. So if you don't have any technical know-how to analyze those particular data, go to YouTube and search for free videos on Microsoft Excel, elementary, then intermediate, then advanced level. So before you know, within 6 months, if you are very consistent, you will be doing well in Excel. Then my second tool to you, if you have actually done learning Microsoft Excel, will be Power BI. So the question you might be having in mind right now will be like, why Power BI? Why not Python? So you have to learn Power BI because Power BI has lots of relationship with Microsoft Excel. So you can see in Power BI, you're going to see, our charts, the same charts you see inside Microsoft Excel. There is DAX, the same DAX inside Microsoft Excel. So there is modeling, the same modeling you have inside Microsoft Excel. There's Power Query, the same Power Query inside Microsoft Excel. All you have to do is to try to advance your knowledge based on what you have known inside Excel and transfer the same thing inside Microsoft Power BI to make it very, very swift for you. You get it right now? So how do you stay, some kind of consistent? To stay consistent is to work on different projects every single time. So try to actually, work on a particular project. And when you want to pick on that one, pick a little bit complex to or compared to the one you have actually worked on before. Before you know it, you become that particular successful data analyst you had been dreaming of. So what about this?